I want to share with you a time that I found out that I was completely unemployable.
I was devastated because I actually was thinking very seriously about taking a job when this recruiter informed me that there was absolutely no way he could ever find somebody to hire me. Now, that turned out to be a complete blessing in my life because over the 20 years that I have been building my business, I don't think any job could have paid me as well, nor could it have given me the flexibility that I needed. In fact, when I talk to salespeople and people that I met out in networking, and I'd say, let's say the two of us are each making a six-figure income. I don't know what they were making, but I was making a six-figure income. But let's say we were making a six-figure income. Here's the difference between you and me. I can stop, and you can't. Because, of course, when they stop working, the money stops. But when I stop working, the money continues. In fact, the money's been pretty consistent all the way through my career. Here's the reason, and it's why I really feel strongly about encouraging people to look at developing something in their lives that gives them residual leveraged income. And we'll talk more about what that exactly means over the next couple of weeks. But the number one thing is that you do have that flexibility. The reason I stopped were some for personal reasons, but one time it was because my house burned down. And my husband had a traditional business. He was an architect, and he had to go right back to work. So he had the pressure of his architectural practice and the pressure of getting us situated in a new home and all the things that went along with having lost our home and all its contents. But I was able to take off that 2 years. I think it was just about 2 years. And yet the money, actually my income went up. It didn't go down.
Based on what you've heard today, if you are interested in learning more about what I did and what really brought me to that point, I encourage you to go below. There's a link to a webinar, just short, 45 minutes, The Absolute Best Way for Women to Make Money.